Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Chiefs Party Decor is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your game day celebrations, transforming any space into a vibrant testament to your team's spirit and ensuring every fan feels the electrifying energy of a true victory, making your gathering unforgettable and the ultimate fan experience. Number 5. Trendware Kansas City Chiefs Party Kit. Get ready for the ultimate game day celebration with this officially licensed party kit. It's everything you need to host up to 24 fans in true Chiefs style. This 72-piece set is designed to serve up to 24 guests. Ensure every fan has the essentials for a fantastic football party. The kit comes complete with both sturdy paper plates and absorbent napkins. Perfect for all your game day snacks and drinks. Show your team spirit with officially licensed merchandise. This set lets you celebrate your Kansas City Chiefs with pride. Make your next football party or tailgate unforgettable. This kit provides the perfect tableware to cheer on your favorite team. With 72 pieces in total, you'll have plenty for everyone. This comprehensive kit includes 48 napkins and 24 paper plates. What we like. This kit offers ultimate convenience for your game day spread. It includes plates and napkins, serving up to 24 guests. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to cater to a crowd, this is the perfect choice for your next football party or tailgate. What people say. Design was excellent, as well as quality. The plates were sturdy and everybody loved them. Sturdy, great size, good color. Napkins were two-sided, so nice to display. Number 4. Football Party Supplies Goalpost Balloon Set. Get ready for the ultimate football celebration. Our standout balloon is ideal for photo ops and fan gatherings, making it a must-have for all your party decorations. Instantly turn any room into a game day paradise with this oversized balloon. It brings the thrill of the game right into your home or tailgate party. This balloon set is the perfect addition to your football birthday or tailgate celebrations. It's designed to add character to your festivities without needing helium. Kick off your festivities with a decoration that screams gridiron glory. It's designed to capture the essence of the game, making it ideal for any tailgate party. Bring your game to decorating with this dramatic addition to any party ensemble. It's guaranteed to be the centerpiece of attention for any football gathering. What we like. Make a grand statement with this massive goalpost balloon. It's designed to be an eye-catching centerpiece and a fantastic photo backdrop. If you want to create a truly immersive game day atmosphere and capture memorable moments, this is the decoration that will elevate your party. What people say. It added a decorative touch to my Super Bowl table, and the quality was sturdy and well made. Great size. Easy to inflate and stayed for over a week. This is a very big blow-up balloon. Good durability and air retention. Color is as pictured in the listing photo. Number 3. Gatherfun Football Party Decorations 10 PCS Honeycomb Centerpieces. Bring the excitement of game day to your party with our set of 10 unique football-themed centerpieces. They're perfect for adding a festive touch to any football birthday or sports celebration, making your guests feel like they're right in the action. Turn your party tables into a vibrant football field with these detailed honeycomb centerpieces. Resembling footballs and player silhouettes, they are a game-changer for any watch party. Pair them with other supplies for an unbeatable look that scores big. These decorations are perfect for more than just game day. They're ideal for any football-themed birthday, sports festival, or outdoor event. Enhance the atmosphere and spread joy and excitement among sports fans of all ages. Decorating is a breeze with our pack of 10 distinct honeycomb centerpieces. Create a captivating and unified look that celebrates your love for football. These decorations promise to make your event unforgettable with minimal effort. These centerpieces aren't just for parties, their unique designs suit a wide range of football occasions. From party decor to classroom accents, celebrate the football season with flair. Let them be the MVP of your decoration strategy. What we like. Add festive flair to your tables with this set of 10 unique honeycomb centerpieces. They are designed to bring the spirit of the game right to your guests' tables. If you want to easily enhance your table settings and create a cohesive football theme for birthdays or game days, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The quality was well made. I was impressed, and assembling them was extremely easy. As simple as opening and adding a tiny piece of tape and all done. The sizes were perfect, not too big to take up the whole table but not too small where you couldn't see it from afar. Festive to add to football decor during playoffs, both college and NFL. Number 2. Kansas City Chiefs Kingdom Flag 3 feet by 5 feet. Show your unwavering support for the Chiefs Kingdom with this officially licensed flag. It's designed for durability and easy display, making it a perfect addition for any true fan. Crafted from 100% polyester, this flag features quadruple-stitched fly ends and a 150D thickness for exceptional longevity. It's built to withstand the elements and proudly represent your team. Equipped with 2 metal grommets, it's simple to attach to your flagpole. You can also use it as a striking wall banner for your home or during tailgating events. The vibrant team logos are visible from both sides, with a clear reverse image on the opposite side. This ensures your team spirit is seen from every angle. This flag is officially licensed and team approved, guaranteeing authentic representation of your favorite NFL team. It's the ultimate way to celebrate your passion. What we like. Show your team pride with this durable, officially licensed flag. It's made for longevity and features logos on both sides for maximum visibility. If you're looking for a way to decorate your home, tailgate, or even a wall with a clear display of team loyalty, this flag is the perfect, long-lasting choice. What people say. Looks very nice. Nice size and quality. Looks great and holding up to the wind quite well. Chiefs flag, as described, came fast, easy to install, and exactly what I wanted, good quality. Number 1. Gatherfun Football Party Serving Tray. Transform your football gatherings with this must-have addition to your party decorations. It brings the stadium atmosphere right into your home, perfect for any celebration. Featuring 9 separate compartments, this tray allows you to seamlessly serve a variety of game day favorites. It's an essential part of your party supplies, ensuring you're prepared for every moment. Don't just serve your food, present them with pride in their own dedicated areas. This kit makes every game a memorable event with perfectly portioned spaces for all your snacks. Measuring an impressive 19.7 by 24.8 inches, this snack tray is the perfect size to hold all your game day treats. It ensures your party supplies are complete and ready to impress. With this serving tray, you're not just preparing food, you're creating an experience. It integrates seamlessly with your party decorations, turning every gathering into a vibrant celebration. What we like. This serving tray is designed to hold all your game day snacks with ease. Its multiple compartments keep different foods separate and accessible, making serving a breeze. If you're hosting a tailgate or party and want a functional, themed way to present all your favorite game day treats, this tray is an essential addition. What people say. The design is very sturdy and thick. Almost didn't want to throw it away, was so durable, could have used it a few more times. The trays were really cute and perfect for serving snacks, great for a tailgate vibe. Everything came ready to go, which made hosting so much easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.